Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome. Welcome. Oh, yeah. Good evening and good afternoon. Having a sleepy time out here for me. So gotta improve my mood. With some of the green tea. Good Friday, good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Make sure to like the video so we can get those numbers. Well, you certainly want to see this thing, guys. This is Friday motivation. It's important to control your profits, not only your losses. And if you don't have losses, then you have to control the profits. We made 435 bucks yesterday. Not bad after 34, 15, and 24. Right? So this week was juicy, right? That's 50 grand, 60. These 2 days are 60. And then 15. About 73, 74, 75. Good evening. Happy Friday. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We're going to take it slowly. And you have to tell me for today, what should I do to have my first red day for the month? Otherwise, everyone is going to believe this is fake, right? So what should I do to have a red day today? What should I do? Tell me, guys. Trading around yesterday's high, getting rejected. I'm going to pull up my quant tower. We're going to trade a lot today, starting with Lucid, YRM, Tap 1 Futures accounts already on our trade of 8. Elite Daily Tap 1 Futures, and then Savius accounts too. Yep. This all is $503,000. Not bad. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Open and cancel a lot of the trades. Daniel. Thank you, Daniel. In what way, Daniel? Tell us. Tell us in what way, in which way, so others can get inspired too. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. And by the way, let's just go ahead and invite everyone on the live stream. You got to do the same thing. Go ahead and share the live stream presentation on all the communities, pretty much on all the trading groups. You certainly want to do that. We are live. There you go. Invite your friends, neighbors, traders, forums, communities, groups. We're live. Everyone needs to learn. What's the best indicator for finding levels? One of the most meaningful set of reactions. We used to have around the followings. These are the ones that are the most meaningful for my trading experience in the recent times, especially for day trading, right? So not for swing trading. These are the meaningful levels that I care when it comes down to scalping. Next to others, obviously, next to others and next to ways of anticipating, researching the price action. Hey, good morning, good day. This is the way you participate the giveaway. You want to complete the form. Actually, today we have two different sets of giveaways. The giveaway of the live stream and the giveaway of the YouTube short we posted on Monday. And we're basically rewarding today. And that's happening right there on that link. Right, so we have two different giveaways today. The live stream giveaways, and then the giveaway from the YouTube short, which is a 50,000 Lucid Flex giveaway from the YouTube short, guys. Other than that, for the live stream giveaways are happening at the time I finish trading. You have to be here because you have to guess a number, you have to participate in another race, so you have to be here for the time. Sign up the form below, be subscribed, like the video. These are the conditions to be participating on the streaming giveaways. We're having giveaways daily. Form not found. Yeah, that's a wrong link. I missed the number 6 from the end. 202 says in the link. Let me remove that link. Here's the right link. 2026, right? Not 202. So right now that works. The new link works. You also have it in our Discord, guys. This is a very interesting level. I'm going to short this one on 7 minis here for the YRM. Yeah. We're going to trade right now. Our Lucid accounts. Just got to connect on Quant Tower. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Why are they blocking this? Oh, there you go. Pretty weird price action out here. Market wants to go a little higher from the way it looks like right now. Might have to cut my position here. No major news happening. We're dealing with the algo green line here, which is very close to yesterday high, but we're actually trading above the daily VWAP, which is located here, guys. So at the moment we're squeezed from yesterday's high, green line, plus the other algo line, green line that we've got. We're squeezed in between these levels. Having a good time. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. We're having a good time. So here are the links. Lucid, YRM, Tap 1, Savius, pretty much everywhere. Scramble coupon code gives you the maximum discount available. Oh yeah. With a little touch on top of that of inspiration. You know how badly we need it. Oh yeah. Come on. Do something. Sleepy markets. We're going to trade our 5th Lucid Flex account that is funded. That we got to work on the payout. I've shorted my Lucid Flex account, guys. This is the 5th account we're preparing for the payout. Bring it down from that. Yeah, there's going to be a tweet today for sure. Yeah, I do agree with you. Lovely. Bring it back here. This is our 5th day on this account. We have $2,000 profit in 5 days. You know, a different type of trading. Lucid Flex, that's what's happening here. No consistency and target on the funded stage. By far the best accounts that are existing. There is a risk for the upside, guys, I'm telling you. I'm inclining today for the upside more, based on the way the price action reacted yesterday. It was a very strong closing. That kind of changed things around. Yeah. They kind of moved and changed things around. Heavily, I would say. We were not sitting in a fortunate situation. Yeah, I sold 2 contracts here. Probably I'm gonna fully get out of this here. 256 for the moment, guys. 256. Oh, look at that. But we got a short on our trade evade, and I'm gonna get out of this for the Tap 1 futures. How much did we made? 956, right? And we're gonna get out of this here as well. 875. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Time for the fireworks. There you go. Time for the fireworks. Let it fly. Let it fly. Boom. Celebration time. We did this across 3 different prop firms. YRM, tap on futures on their elite daily accounts, and then Lucid 256. It's not much. It's not much. It's, you know, a good start. Let's put it that way. Oh, good to have you onboarded from New Jersey. We're having a great time. Simplistic videos. We're having a great time. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. Like the video. We must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways on time. So that's where we are on a happy Friday. If we visualize a heavier perspective here at the daily wants higher, guys. Daily wants higher. The hourly, sorry. The hourly wants to go higher. Oh yeah, look at that. The hourly wants to go higher. And then the 4 hours kind of speaks the same thing. It wants to go higher. Let me just show you something very interesting for the 4 hours. So if you're able to clear this level, which is the golden pocket, if you were able to clear the golden pocket sitting around the 400s, 29 400s, you've been able to clear that. And that whole thing appeared from the bouncing we got on 135. And this was yesterday. You guys remember yesterday we talked about 135 numerous times on the stream, and then we touch it. 135 weekly opening, bouncing off towards 550s, right? So we managed to do 400 points on a 4-hour candle from that. Is kind of changing the whole environment. Is kind of changing the whole perspective. When we were dealing with 29 200s or 150s or 135 at that moment, there was a significant danger for this whole structure to be clear lower high and then a double top here, right? And that would have been bearish for a target around 27,000. Yet this change of market structure is executed by that 4-hour candlestick bouncing off the weekly opening from 135 all the way up to 500s, closing on the 500s. The retracement is all the way bought up, and the golden pocket is respected above. Nonetheless, the current 4-hour candle is beautiful as well, retesting the daily opening and finding pressure. No acceptance below that. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Today's low is quite near to daily openings, and when that happens, we usually have a bullish day. YRM payout, I've been talking about it on my Discord as well, guys. For those of you that are aware, I've said it about YRM. They have delays. They're very slow right now. There is a backlog created, and you certainly have to be cautious, if not very cautious, with any other investments or accounts that you would consider. I suggest the opposite. I suggest you to wait for YRM to clear this backlog, to come up with the updates, wait for their CEO to make a step forward and announce you transparently all the things that are happening. We certainly have to know why there is a new round of 2 weeks of delays for some people. We have seen there are daily payouts. Payout junction shows us there's daily payouts, 10, 15 grand per day, but that is certainly, from what we see and from what we know, insufficient to clear some of the guys that are waiting since 2 weeks or 3 weeks, right? Even 4 weeks, some people. So this has to be addressed. This has to be addressed by the #1 authority, by the #1 source of direct information, and that's their CEO. Very important. Very, very important. In the meantime, you make a step back and you wait for improvements. You're no longer exposed to risks. Yes, indeed. Yes. This is the way we are sitting for the moment on the 4 hours for the Nasdaq. It obviously wants to go higher from here. And soon we're going to deal with supply. As long as you're sitting above the weekly opening, which is 135 far away, we're fine for the upside. Right? So whatever dip, it's going to get bought up. And that's juicy. Yeah, it's a prop firm that's being run from New York City, which is quite heavy on the expenses. But I don't think that should be the expenses. However, the best choice for you guys to do right now, you have to check our Discord for updates and you have to listen to our live stream. Very careful. You have to stop considering, for the moment, stop considering until they come up and completely eliminate the backlog. Completely pay people, eliminate the backlog, and then you can resume thinking about it. I'm going to announce you when that happens. In the meantime, simply consider the best choice around Lucid, right? So you got to have your next 5 funded accounts on Lucid and deal with them much better there. Certainly. I'm waiting for updates from their CEO. I've been asking him for more and more details, but you know how hard it is to get the real answer. You know how hard it is to, what are the ways for us to be sure 100% about the thing that's going on? Think about it, guys. It's very hard. It's very hard. So in other words, if a company wants to hide something, they can easily do it. But they will lose customers, they will lose people, they will lose their branding, and they are paying the price when this is happening. Which is something I told him. I told him, you have to expect basically that there is a price for this. Of delaying, of creating all sorts of issues around the prop space. There is a price for this. This is where we are. Made some money from that short, but it's kind of clear today is not the day to Thank you so much, guys, for joining. By the way, make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, we must hit a minimum 180 likes. And we have for that one about an hour and 20 minutes, right? 1 hour and 20 minutes from now, we must have minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. This is another funded account that we have. It's the fifth funded that we're trying to bring it to a great level to request 5 accounts payouts from our Lucid Flex. 5 accounts of 3,000 each. It's going to be 15 grand. And that's going to be well deserved. I will be testing out a short here, which might be this way. Right as soon as we overcut, I am taking my shot. Two contracts have been filled up. I'm fully out here. Lovely, 400 bucks. That's the most I could request from such a thing, guys, because this is bullish. This is bullish. So we made 150 bucks, but this is bullish. Now, you guys see, I've basically got into my short at a time. Others got into their longs with the hope of trading the breakout. We've been trading above the highest wick, which is located right on the left side of this, around this place, right here. And there's people, retail, that has strategies of trading based on breakouts. I've shorted exactly from the place they longed, and then I got out. Exactly usually when they are getting stopped out. Yesterday's high bouncing plus the daily VWAP confirming right below is a very important element of continuation we have here, guys. We should not have a difficult time touching the 600s. We should not have a difficult time for that. $394. Chasing the price action is not working today. Oh, congratulations. You made your 1,500, Dr. Kulu. Good job. You've made your 1,500 in your first day. Yeah. Look at it. This 1 minute candle we have here is a proof about the strength that we have in terms of domination for this market structure we're dealing with. Right, so if the price action would have been weak, that 1 minute candle is not appearing. The form is here, guys. This one is the form. You shouldn't have a problem with that. Right, so the previous 1 minute candle we have that shows strength at that specific level when it appears clearly tells us that the bears are not actively dominating the price action there. Right, so there is room for longs, but I certainly enjoy longing things that are usually going down, and in trending price action is not an issue to kind of chase the trend. The question is, are there spots that you should avoid in terms of chasing the price action? I mean, when you know the trend is clear for the upside, then you would assume whatever level you're long, you're going to be in profit at some point. The reality is a little bit different. Especially if you're trading the New York session, guys. If you're trading the New York session, you might have 50, 60 points correction from a wrong level and still respect the trend you are considering that could be the opposite. So having a 40-50 points is not something you would like to deal with if you don't have that silly high buffer that sits around the big boy accounts, right? The big belly accounts. Let's call them this way, guys. Big belly accounts. This is the big belly account, which, by the way, the number 5 looks like a big belly, right? 503. It's not a bug. It's an account bought at $500,000, and we only made 3,000 bucks. That's the reality, actually. Right. So the brand new Lucid Flex accounts that are starting from $500,000, and I think it's going to be an interesting journey trading $500,000 accounts. Hopefully to pass the evaluation and make this one funded. Oh my gosh. Some people get upset on these jokes because they tend to portray personal frustrations. On others. Oh, lovely. We have the flat opening right now. That's what you get, guys. Yes. Tap on futures is all great. Join our Discord, guys. You want to see the max loss, guys? Can you see the max loss of this account? Wow, what a price action. Look at that. Tap 1 is very good. It's very good, Tap 1. Not an issue. Top dog. Lucid, #1 prop firm in the space. I got multiple personal accounts that are doing better than this. But they're not futures day trading. They're investments, long-term, and swing tradings. It was a joke with the Lucid having a $500,000 account. It was a joke towards the account we have here, which is $500,000. It's Lucid Flex account. This is the account we're talking about, guys. The thing is, well, it never happened YRM not to pay, even after 2 or 3 weeks. If you guys remember, YRM had another session of delayed payouts, like 2 months ago, or maybe a month and a half. Yeah. And all those guys got paid. So I'm looking forward to seeing the same thing. That's fine. You want me to take this one to 800,000? I can take this one to 800,000. Look at that. Boom. Collateral limit. I got an email. I had a leverage trade and I got an email with the collateral limit has been touched. Pretty bad news, right? On a BTC position. Oh yeah. So this is where we are, guys. But I still want to trade this one, which is sitting on 394. This 394 is something. Wow. How are we supposed to trade this one? Do you guys have any... But this is an important thing towards the discussion we just had earlier on chasing the price action. You guys see what happens when you're chasing the price action? These are the candlesticks you can very easily face from time to time. Look at that. I mean, chasing the price action did work in all the situations here. There's a few candles where you can chase the price action, but at some point, the deal is game over. And it takes way more than what you made. That's the problem. That's the problem. So we had here basically 40 points. And if this would have happened on the New York session, that would have been 70, 80 points. All-time high today. If we have external news, if we have tweets that are going to be sufficiently meaningful, maybe. Although having an all-time high on Friday is quite sketchy. Retesting the purple line here around the 500s would not be a bad game for me. I'm testing 7-minute shorts here for the YRM trade. And I'm going to test out a short out here for our Lucid account, where I'd like to make more than the $400, $500. Right? So for the max payout, we got to bring this one to 156, which is an extra 4,000. That's an extra 4,000. Keep it going. Best account at the moment is the Lucid Flex. Simplistic videos. Lucid Flex is leading, still leading, right? And they have a 50% off. If you haven't used those, 2 users. Wow, what a price action, guys. What a price action here. What a price action. Might have to cut it away. This is so risky. I sold partially, and I'm fully out here. We're down 243. We're down 140 here on the YRM. And we made some money. We are having 1,097 for the top one. Oh, look at that drop. This is just so miserable. That's not tradable, guys, based on the logic of the price action, I can tell you. That's so miserable. Not necessarily at that moment. Not necessarily. Yeah. Interesting, guys. Very interesting price section. I'm breaking my balls around this, trying to find out the logic behind. 243. If I short here, we got a very clear invalidation. Still waiting a little bit, guys. Still waiting a little bit. Oh, look at that. Now you tell me how to trade this silly candles. Ho 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 ho. Oh yeah. Look at that. There's no way to do plans. You got that bark pattern. Look at that. There's no planning for today. Other than making money without knowing how to make money today, we're down 243. I'm gonna try to long this. Yeah. 4 minutes long here, guys. Are we gonna get a total retracement of that? I think that's gonna be quite very unlikely, but we're gonna find it out. Just bear with me. A new all-time high today. Well, there is some discussion about it. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it, guys. I'm gonna have a limit order there, another limit order here, and one more, even higher. So the next candle has to be green. I'm gonna love that. We have some nice money made on Trade Evade. We got some nice money made on YRM too. Let me show you the Trade Evade with that nice money. We're having $1,788 for this elite daily account. You know, the elite daily accounts on tap on futures are no consistency on the funded stage and daily payouts. I got a video on my channel about the tap on futures elite daily account. You can review the whole model. This is what we're trading on the Trade Evade. Come on, guys. No, look at that. Oh yeah. I think I should increase one of my take profits. Probably like that. We have a pretty good potential here. Yes. We should have some positive news. Yeah. I think the market is waiting here for some liquidity. No, it's it's risky, guys. We might just take the high and come back, or that could be just another moment for a strong runner. This is unpredictable what's going to happen above 1,604. Look at that. I'm selling 2 contracts here in little profit. You know, I'm putting the break even for the rest of it. Yeah, break even has been touched. Lovely. Now that's kind of the price section we have on a Happy Friday moment. Instead of running organically, naturally, simply by the book, so we could execute. No. No. If I start trading the big boy, the big belly accounts, we're going to call those boys out there no longer buffer. We're going to call belly, right? So the big belly accounts that have sufficient buffer. I'm going to long it as soon as the new candle opens. Yeah. Right now, 4 minis. 5 minis. It's the maximum I can do because of their limitation. I'm longing my trade of 8. 5 minis. I'm longing my YRM. 7 minis. We're long everywhere. Ha 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 ha. Come on, run. Oh yeah, run. Messy but profitable. For the moment. Messy but profitable for the moment, guys. Oh yeah. Give me something. We could easily touch that 607, 610 right now. Just break above the previous structure high here. The market needs that. I'm putting my take profits pretty much everywhere. I'm out from my trade of 8, guys. We made 400 bucks on my trade of 8. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that very soon, but I'm gonna... Yeah, I'm selling here. We just eliminated the loss and we're up 106 bucks, guys. So we're gonna celebrate that, trust me. We're gonna celebrate that because this price section is nuts. This price section is nuts. So this is what we made here, 2,319 on this Elite Daily account. Evaluation stage is a fresh account. We got 3 of this. This is the first one, fresh. And then this one has out 1,260, lovely profit, right? For YRM 1,260, no losses today. We don't need them. Who wants losses on Friday? Why would you? Messes your weekend, right? All that good. Chill out timing. You know what's the problem with the losses on Friday? If you got Monday to Thursday green, that Friday is worth way more for the days you got in weekend. Unfortunately, you're constantly going to reflect that Friday loss. Even though you had, oh, look at that one, guys. So it's not bad we got out for long, because this is juicy. This is usually the way the market is doing right before it runs, right? Right before it rips. Oh, we always have green tea. There's no such a thing, green tea missing. Lack of green tea do not exist. That thing do not exist. Yeah. We touched the yesterday high and now we're bouncing from it. I think it's only going to be dangerous for today if we do not react on 444 or above that, Mr. Knifeart. Yes, I think we're gonna go for stopping people out from both sides at the opening. Remember that, guys. I think we have Memorial Day on 25th, right? Double checking, yes. It's going to be a pause. Monday, no streaming. We have Memorial Day, bank holiday. So we are going to resume on Tuesday. Probably Monday I'm going to post a video on my channel so you guys can have a great time around it. Remember, today we have two different giveaways. The giveaways that we usually do on the live stream, and you have to complete the form for that. Plus subscribe, like the video and all that stuff that we usually do. And then the giveaway of 50,000 Lucid Flex from our YouTube shorts. I'm posting the link. It's located on the channel. It's also right now in the chat box. That's going to be drawn today as well. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Yes. Tap 1 futures we've been using then since April 2025. Basically, I've been working with them since their second day of launch, early April 2025. Great prop firm by the way. We have more than $50,000 cashed out from there, more than 50 grand. But then we started trading a lot more with Lucid, a lot of time with YRM as well, with Savius too. And we're still running the tap ones as well. They're instant funded, yep. Scramble coupon code highest discount available is giving you a great choice and a great alternative. More than $24 million in payouts. Close to 25 million, look at that. That's something, guys. That's something. For example, their Ignite accounts, you can have maximum 10 funded Ignite accounts. Maximum 10. Which is quite crazy. You are not having a daily, you are having a equity stability score, JCE. You're not having a drawdown of end of the day. You are having equity stability score. But those accounts do not exist anymore. So the accounts you were having with equity stability score no longer exist. They eliminated that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Can you advise me? Oh, someone is just writing in our community. Congratulations, good job. Someone is writing in our community. Look at that great message, guys. Look at that. Got my first payout after 4 years and 400 plus evaluations and funded accounts. Oh, look at that one, guys. That's massive. Look at this guy. 4 years of trading and more than 400 evaluations and funded accounts. Never gives up. Look at that one, guys. Very important. That's bringing enthusiasm, fellas. 4 years of trading, not giving up. More than 400 evaluation accounts. Look at that one. This is a critical point. Unbelievable. Congratulations. Look at that one. You know, things are changing once you get the taste of the payouts. Things are changing. And we need to know there is a process in this business. There is a process. We're all located somewhere in this process. The reason why we're gathering here every single day is to make sure I'm helping you and we're all helping each other to slowly progress towards the profitable side of the process. There is a investing side in the education of this process, and usually that's happening in the beginnings. Beginnings that sometimes could mean years or 400 evaluations. As soon as you cross this time, things are totally changing, guys. This is a brick-by-brick business. Becoming a trader is a brick-by-brick business. So, hoping to copy someone's performance is a wrong expectation. It does affect your psychology in a negative way, hoping for your personal best performance with the learnings you apply, not only learn, but you apply, is exactly what we should focus on. Years of trading with difficulties, part of the process. Years of trading with profits, part of the profits. I think most of the people fail in trading on the long term because they stopped too early, and they stopped at a specific stage of the process, which was right before touching the next level that would have been with profits, right? And usually that's set because of the wrong expectations. Like, people expect wrong things. Oh, there you go. We have the opening. Here we go. Congratulations, by the way, for all the hardworking characters we have here that struggled and reached a much better level and version of themselves. Congratulations, guys. Deserve an applause. Yes, trading is not easy, but I can tell you, as soon as you have an efficiency level which is sufficiently high, and that's something that can only be achieved by being part of the process, it's gonna be juicy, right? Look at that opening. We only touched the daily view up there, 550s. This is not that easy to be traded. Today's high, 665. Probably the next 5-minute candlestick is gonna cross that. If not this candle, right? Which still has 3 minutes to go. Look at that one. We got to do some trading, guys. Quickly. In and out. Congratulations. Anil, congratulations. I made 642 here totally on this one, and we traded a big belly account, 1,100. I'm going to test a little long here, consisting 2 minis, not more than that. And we might be able to attack 665, today's high, in the next 5-minute candle. Look at that. Oh, this is a little too much of a rejection, I'm telling you. This is a little too much. Looks better. We're sitting in our long here. We have DC. We got 4 contracts. I sold 2 contracts because this is quite risky. And I'm leaving the rest of it open. Come on. I'm out here, guys. Thank you. 1,598. Very important, guys. Very important celebration time. Oh my gosh. This is day number 5 for this funded account. Lucid Flex 150,000. 153, 550. Boom. That was great. That was great. Let me show you the account. Let me show you the account. This is the account we've got. It's basically the last account. We have to produce some money to be able to take maximum payout. Basically, and theoretically, I could go today for a payout, right? Because we have 5 days of the minimum needed. I could request a payout today. We have 5 days of minimum needed. The minimum needed is $250 for these 150,000 accounts. We certainly have $250 per day. But the thing is, you would not be able to go max payout. The balance didn't get updated yet. It sits on 152, but the balance is 153, 550. So half of that is what you can take out, which is like 1,000, what, 700. I'd like to take this one to the max payout level, which would be 156, right? So then we can, I'll do my best to take this one to 156. And then we request the payout. I've just longed it on trade of it here for, and I'm out. Lovely, 2,643, guys. Celebration time, that's great. That's great. 2,643. Boom. I talked about today's high, and I've said it earlier. The next 5-minute candle, today's high. Well, there you go, guys. We just made it. Oh, yeah. I like it. I like it, guys. We have 45 minutes to collect the likes. 45 minutes. The purple line is the 200 days EMA. Right, so 200 days EMA line, the purple line. The red and green is the dynamic swing anchored VWAP from Zerman. A dynamic swing daily VWAP, which is acting really well, guys. Really well for swing trading. Sorry, for scalping on the 5 minutes. Not swing trading. Scalping on the 5 minutes. Really well. Look at that move all the way to 700s. Unbelievable. All the way to 700s. So we're going to trade the next Trade of 8 account. Welcome. Last week's high, 782, guys. What do you think about it? Basically the all-time high. Oh. I kind of fear that. Do you? Do you guys fear 782? Because I do. A little flush here for a happy Friday. Got in a single contract. Little trade of trading for the Tap 1 Futures Elite Daily accounts. This is a second account we have. Probably might get the opportunity to buy lower. Put some limit orders there. Looking forward buying a little lower. Maybe around the 40s, 50s. Oh, that's great. One contract has been filled. We also have 5 minis here on the Big Belly account filled up. 10 minis filled up on the Big Belly account. 10 minis. Oh, there you go. Congrats. Look at that move for the Friday. This is what we're talking about for the Friday. We made 375 on trade of 8. I got out of my long there, 375. Yeah. Wouldn't be crazy, guys, to get very, very near to all-time high today, I can tell you. We don't have a red folder news today. Watching this one closely. It's very important what we do in the next 5-minute candle. Very important what we do here. We relonged our trade of 8. Lovely, right? 2 minis. Beautiful profits here. Beautiful profits here. I think we're breaking that 62. Let's see. Yeah, Monday no streaming. Bank holiday. No streaming on Monday, bank holiday. Memorial Day, guys. No streaming. Probably I'm gonna post a video with some educational material. Make sure you watch the video we posted last night. As soon as the live stream ends, you want to watch that video as well. We have included a giveaway for that video specifically, guys. We posted last night on my channel. I don't like that rejection for the moment here. Look at the lovely longs we're sitting on. 10 minis on both sides for the big fat 2 big belly accounts. All the good plans with the family. No difference than the weekdays. No difference. Same thing. Not trading on a bank holiday. Memorial Day Monday. Not trading. Lovely profits here. Do something. Do something here. Clear that 62s. Come on, force it. I'm gonna get out of my trade of 8. Yeah, I got out of my trade of 8. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna stay stop loss break even on this one. Get out from the other. Yeah. We got a little lucky there. Less than a point. Less than a point here with our trailing. Less than a point between the wick and our trailing. Less than a point. Dangerous, guys. Dangerous. Lucid trading. Tap 1. We're going to trade Savius soon as well. You know, yesterday we made on all the 3 accounts 1,500. Today I'm planning to do so. Oh, yeah, we touched the break even. So we have confirmed here 1,168 bucks for trade of 8. Second account today. This might come all the way back to 554 if it's not reacting here. Back to 554. Right, so if it fails reacting here, see you on 554. Let me open up my Savius instant funding accounts that have a 5% target. Testing out a short here, guys. Lovely. $6.33 on my entry. Reshorting on YRM too. I like it. I like it. Selling a contract, one more, and I'm fully out. 2,651, guys. Let me get out of this here as well. Not really, not really. Stop loss break even here for the YRM. I'm gonna leave this one open. I'll leave this one open, guys. Well, the Trade of 8 is big deal. We've got 2 accounts, 2,600 today, guys, on Trade of 8. That's a big deal. Oh my gosh, 6,000 is our target. 6,000 for this evaluations that are no consistency on the funded stage, and then daily payouts above the buffer. Buffer is at 3%, guys. Refreshing Quant Tower. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Let's bring up those numbers. I'm gonna trail right above the current candle here, trailing. Looking for touching 555. And trailing. Take profit 556, guys. 9,800 for my take profit here. I like that. I like that. Oh, congratulations for that. That's very good. Safe and Secure is back, calling me hi dear. How do you guys feel about it? Safe and Secure is here, saying hi dear. We're probably going to touch the trailing. Yes, we've touched it. I mean, if it holds around the 600, we might hunt some of that liquidity off the upwards. Quant Tower is stuck here, guys. Look at that. Data is loading 0% for my Savius. Connection is fine. I just verified. Safe and secure. Why is this thing not loading, guys, on Savius for Quant Tower? It's not loading for me. I've refreshed Quantower, but still not loading. Yeah, safe and secure not filling the form was one thing today. Winning the giveaway having the name of safe and secure not filling the form. It's not loading up. I don't know if this is a problem of Quantower or it's an issue from Lucid. $16 for the first evaluation. That's insane. Still loading. So they reached out to platforms and they blocked me, right? This is the dirty job of mafia. We're not getting connected, guys. Look at that. They cut my connection. What's wrong with this one? Wow. So 2 accounts made 2,600 on Trade of 8. 2,651. And the other one, 2,643. Let's trade the third one we have. There are fresh evaluations of 100,000 elite daily accounts. But these are the Lucid ones. Sorry, these were the Savius on Quantower that we're not loading the Savius. Lucid is loading normally. Yeah, Lucid is loading normally. Look at that. Lucid is here. Successfully made 740 on the big fat account. 740, 12 AC. That's a hell of a performance, man. 740 profit. Imagine how hard it is to lose. And the other big fat account have 390. Green is green. Oh, sorry to hear that. FIFA Association. Yeah, they do not allow VPNs. They're not going to allow VPNs. Be careful with that. We lost it. Solo trades, we lost the 500k account. We lost it. We lost it, unfortunately. Oh no. There you go. It's back. But I'd like to trade my third evaluation of 100,000 here on Trade of 8 for the top one, big boys. Oh, look at that, guys. We have the red line, which is confirming lack of acceptance below. You know, the algos are connected with the red lines and green lines. Next 5-minute candle, tell me. Next 5-minute candle, guys. Tell me. Is it gonna be green? Because I'm gonna full blast long. 10 minis everywhere. Haven't lost the 500k, was joking. So look at that one, guys. Oh! I'm gonna test out a 10-minute short here. For this account, guys. For the big fat account, 10-minute short. I'm just testing, so I say these things for the market makers that are listening to our live stream. Not to take it for granted. Greetings, buddy. Greetings, Fred. Greetings. Oh. Yes, exactly. That's a good one, Quantum. Let's just speak about the subject Quantum is introducing. All-time high incoming, says 12AC. So you guys know the first thing I do is I short. 7,000 profit here. Ha 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 ha. I'm out. $6,800 profit, guys. Ha 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 ha. Celebration time, lovely. We touch 510. Oh my gosh. Well, we're going to talk about the subject Quantum is putting together. He says green is green. Too many times traders see 480 profit and then get fixated with a round number like 500. Blow up, and that's it. Stay grounded, plus humble, and take the profits. That's the key. Have you guys experienced that? You have 497 and you get irritated? Like you lost 497 or 10,000 or you just lost the account? So, because of that $3 that you believe is missing and it should be yours. Because of that $3 freaking, you are ready to blow the whole account you've worked the entire week? You know that happens, right? You know that happens. So if you see 497 and if 500 is your target, that's a entitled reason to lose the entire account. Unbelievable. I'm testing out along here, guys. 10 minis. You know, I'm going to long it from my Trade of A2. I'll be longing it from my YRM too. You like that? Lovely. 2,000 bucks. We got some money on Trade of It as well. Never happened with 12AC. So you accept the minus $3. You don't want to be around the round numbers and get fixated. Exactly. Dodgy trades. That's right. Most of the people need that. Most of the people need those dumb moments. That's true. 1 micro. And we're going to 35,000. You're fine. Look at that, guys. You like this trade? If 12AC is shorting, I'm touching the green buttons. Win or die in matter of seconds. You know, from the first 30 seconds of the account if it's going to be a payout or not, right? I'm just testing out, guys, here. Sidetracked with P&L. Let's see today. Safe and secure filled out the giveaway form, guys. Are you guys trembling? No, I'm not having. That's something from 10 years ago. A game. Just forget about it. I'm not having any courses. Nothing. I teach for free here on YouTube, guys. Exactly. We always have boom on the stream here, but usually it's not that boom, right? I'm gonna DCA here, guys. 5 minis. Reject. Come on, reject and push. Push. How many minis you go long here? 12 AC. 9? We might be going down. Look at that. VWAP is here above 580s. But yesterday's high is what we're touching right now. And this is where we have been continuously reacting. Might not be sufficient. Look at that. No, no. I'm selling this before it dies. I'm out. 2,648 down. We'll have to fix that, but the problem is with the other account, which is 5,000 down. I'm longing the other Big Belly account, 10 minis. This one. $30,000 today? So the trade of it account is lost. 3,000 down. We lost an account this week. At least we made 2 max profit on the other. Right? So we have 2,643. And 2,651. One more day like this. And then an extra 1,000 and we qualify for the funded stage. Yes, Fred. We've been. Thank you. Look at that. It is juicy. Oh, 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 oh. It is juicy. So look at that. Top 1 Futures is calling me. Alert. Hard breach on your account. Message from Clay. I told you guys. I got hit today. We lost an account this week. I'm not recommending paper trading. It's different than prop firm trading, is different than real money trading, is different than the way it has to be. That's the problem with the paper trading. It is different than it has to be. You need to trade in a different environment than paper trading. So I suggest you to start slow, very slow, small accounts, 50,000, Lucid Flex, small accounts. And do not touch the minis for the first months, not weeks, not days, and not hours, and not minutes, months, not touching minis. If I see you touch minis, I'll reach out to close your account. Trade micros. If you trade micros and slowly scale with your performance, you know the sizing has to be increased as soon as you see green P&L with a lower sizing. That is number one condition, guys. I'm watching something out in the window. That's why I'm sitting like that. I'm getting inspired by what I see there, guys. So, oh, that's very important, Jacob. Exactly. You want to get the taste of this business in a real environment where you got the skin in the game. If there is no skin in the game, there's no possibility to learn how to trade. Trading is not just theory, and it's far from being like that. I mean, you can trade minis if you know minis works better, but before discovering that, you have to trade micros, right? So at some point you gotta test it all, but there is a objective way of getting started for someone that is testing the waters. If you start testing the waters with minis, then you have to prepare your credit card. You like the profits here, 12 AC? Yes. Look at that one. Should be pushing higher than this level. Not to get rejected here when we got the daily VWAP. No. I don't want you to be rejected here. So why didn't you DC8 below the yesterday's high? Below yesterday's highs, whatever below 554 should have been. Oh, but you like to suffer, that's why. Suffering makes you stronger, right? So you're preparing with 2 minis in a suffering mood, and then you launch your 9 minis when you have suffered enough, right? Dennis, Tap on Futures has Trade-Evade, Ninja, and TradingView. Trade-Evade, Ninja, and TradingView for Tap on Futures. Wow, what a silly candle. This is a silly candle. This should have happened the other side, because this is a silly candle. Look at that. As soon as I'm correcting the market makers with my words, they are not delivering acceptance for the shorts. No. We don't like you, shorts. Stay away. Stay away from our trades. And you tell me I am gambling with a $500,000 account made from 150,000. But that's not the thing. The thing is the drawdown. You don't buy the size of the account, you buy the size of your drawdown. So 4,500 drawdown, making 350. So I'm the gambler. I don't like Ninja, but I don't think I like Trade-Evade. Yeah, I don't have a better option there. That's why I trade Trade-Evade. Maybe TradingView is something better. You get the add-on TradingView with Trade-Evade, and you can trade on TradingView by connecting it through Trade-Evade. No, didn't try it yet. Didn't try it yet. I don't like it either. TradeC, I made a tutorial. Oh, look at that. 13 grand. Could be better, yeah. TradeC, I made a tutorial. And it is a decent platform, but I think there is such space for improvements for TradeC, a lot of space for improvements. I thought it's going to be way closer to what Project X used to be, because I guess that was the purpose of TradeC, to replace Project X, which was highly enjoyed by us. If you guys remember, we were making tons of money with that. Yet I think can't be compared at the moment. Volumetrica, I like it. Volumetrica with a deep charts. Yeah, I like it a lot. I can be the only one stopping Zinner. I can be the only one. But the only problem with that is the live streaming and the giveaways. How do I do live streams and giveaways while trying to stop Zinner? How do I do that, guys? I still do not have a proper response and strategy towards that. But I am the only one capable with my slices to stop Zinner. 12AC is knowing what I'm talking about. He faced my slices. He felt the pain of my slices. So he knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's the thing. Yes, TickTick closed their doors after 4 years of activity. Can you guys imagine? 4 years in the prop firm space and closing their doors like that. TickTick. If a company that has 4 years in the market acts like that, what can we expect from the fresh ones to do? Yeah, a lot of the memories with a TickTick, a lot of the great moments. We've been trading with them a lot. Good money. They had those profit score accounts. You guys remember? Exactly. They were the ones that started straight to funded right after fast track trading. Yeah. Right after fast track trading, they were the ones starting straight to funded. And then they were the ones that were running the profit score accounts where you needed to do 500 bucks. We had a live account with them. Probably lack resources. Oh. On the Italian news, Zinner made an appeal to find a slices coach who doesn't have a mustache. Oh. I could fix it. The problem is his resources. He might not be having the necessarily needed resources for me to fix his slices. That's the only problem. So the resources might be the problem here. He has to come up with some more promotion and Gucci bags on the bench to pay up for those slices. I certainly doubt about it, option men. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Smith. Ha 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 ha. 500. 500 little babies. Look at that, guys. Time for the wheel. People, hurry up. Oh. Nah. Not really. Look at that one, guys. We're not having probably nothing will happen, right? But we're gonna get started right now with a giveaway, guys. Do we have the necessarily needed likes? Come on, let's bring this one up to 190. New target, minimum 190 likes. Minimum 190 likes. Oh yeah. Minimum 190 likes. Come on, guys. Probably will happen nothing. As soon as we hit 190 likes, we'll start the giveaways. Let's go. Minimum 190. Come on. You gotta give to take, right? And remember, today we're also going to draw a secondary giveaway we have from the YouTube Shorts. Here's this one. I just posted a link. That's going to be our Lucid draw of the day. That's going to be. Which will be based on the comments. So you need to have a comment there. What's happening here? We're $9,000 down. Probably this is going to be a total bleeding today, right? Probably this is going to be a total bleeding today. $12,000, $13,000 down. Look at that. We're 200 points down from today's high. And this can nicely do 400, 450. But that's why I built the buffer, exactly for this moment. That's why I build a buffer. That's why I build my big belly. Oh yeah. So Scrambo's in fire. Prop's getting terrified. I mean, I could close out here. Coming back already. Next week, we gotta try to recover from 50k. We gotta do something to be down 50k and then trying to recover from there, guys. Big ballin'. So this is where we are, fellas. Time to start up the giveaways. What do we have to do? Yeah, we gotta complete the forms. We had a very good day, by the way, in trading. A very good day. All the targets have been hit. We lost an account of Tap on Futures Elite Daily. But the other two, because we were trading 3 accounts, the other 2 had a max profit considering the consistency. So that's very good. We're already green PNL, we're good at. Oh my gosh. So first things first, Tap on Futures. Yeah, we're gonna do that Elite Daily. What do we need? We need the wheel, we need the ducks, and then we need Formula. Wheel. Here's the form, everyone. Complete the form. That's the first thing you gotta do. Complete the form. Everyone make sure to like the video. Let's just increase the target to 200. 200 likes minimum to do the giveaways. We're sitting 225 people and we have 191 likes. You have to act. Yes, I'm gonna explain you. You have to complete the form here if for the live stream giveaways. Complete the form. And then we're going to have a series of numbers, a few entries. You will select a number. You got to guess the number on the wheel. You will have to decide and choose a number. If your number comes out, you qualify for the duck race, a game that you have to win. Yep. So just watch out for my comments. Watch out. I'm going to tell you what you have to do. Come on, guys. Push. Minimum 200 likes. Minimum 200 likes. The trade is in profit. We're printing. We're streaming from Monday to Friday every single day. Every single day. 8 a.m. EST time. Alright guys, so the next thing. Yeah, like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. This is another condition to participate. Be subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and join our Discord. Right, besides filling up the form, that's the thing. Now watch out for the numbers. We're gonna have between 0 and 5. Choose your number. Tell me your best number. You can start right now. A single choice per person, not multiple times. Guess the number between 0 and 5. Choose right now. Tell me your best choice. This is a $25,000 Elite Daily account from the Tap on Futures. $25,000 Elite Daily account, right? With a daily payout and no consistency on the funded stage. This is the first giveaway about. I'm out here from the trades. This is what we made. 5,215 on this one, profit. And the other account is sitting on 3,145. That's good. That was it about the losses. We've cleared the losses simply. Very easy. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. I think that's going to be number 4. I think that's going to be number 4. It's not going to be number 5. I'm pressing the pedal for number 4. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Number 4 for the winners. Congratulations. Greetings, guys. Greetings. This is the first giveaway. We have 2 more. This is the first giveaway. We've got 2 more. "45 winners will compete on a duck race for 30 seconds. The best ranked is winning the $25,000 Elite Daily account from Tap on Futures. No consistency on the funded stage and daily payouts. If you're with number 4, then you're on the duck race, and now you just have to watch and hope you're winning the duck race. Oh, you're actually winning the duck race. Is this the first time you're participating? Hoof. Is this the first time you're participating and winning the duck race? I don't believe that. Look at that one, guys. Is this the first time you participate and you're actually winning the duck race? No, that's crazy. That's crazy, guys. We got community members here that are participating daily for months. I haven't got anything. Look at that one, guys. No way. The question is about if you filled up the form. We're gonna find it out right now. Oh my gosh. So there's people that just do the math for your chances. Do the math. 6 numbers on the wheel. You got the right number. And then we've got 44 players. And you're ranked number 1. Did you fill up the form? Yes. You're confirmed with that. Congratulations. Oh my gosh. Badger. That's right. You got ranked number 3, which is exciting. Must be a lucky day today. Keep that in mind. For your trading. Oh yeah, so what's next? The next one is the Lucid. And the Lucid giveaway is gonna roll from the YouTube shorts we posted on Monday. You guys remember that. We have a YouTube short we posted on Monday. Participation rules are simple for this one. This is a separated giveaway than the live stream giveaways. This is a 50,000 Lucid Flex. Look at that. What a chance. 0.74% winning. Right, so you need to like the video, be subscribed to that one, and comment something. We're gonna pick the winner based on the comments. We're gonna pick the winner based on the comments. 50,000 Flex. We're gonna pick 3 winners and put them on the duck race. Right? So this is a giveaway we started on Monday. We started on 18th of May. We posted about it pretty much everywhere. And it ends today on 22nd. Here's the video. We're going to utilize a YouTube random picker. And we're going to have 3 winners. YouTube random picker, right? 3 winners that we'll pick from the comments area. These are the 3 guys that are winning. Martin, Kais, and Raj. You guys will go for the duck race. And then the best ranked in the duck race will qualify. If the account is not going to be claimed by the winner, and we're going to verify the proofs and all that stuff, the so look at that, Martin. Yeah. If the winner is not going to claim the account, we're going to redo this giveaway, of course. First one is Martin, right? We're going to have this one weekly. We also have another one from the video we posted yesterday. A Lucid Pro giveaway. That giveaway ends on 29th, next week. You want to sign up for that one too. The last video I posted on my channel, it's from yesterday. Best of luck everyone, guys. The winner takes the account, so the best ranked takes the account. You claim the account reaching out to me on Discord on private message. You want to contact me on Discord on private message. Make sure you are careful about the scammers. So who's going to speed up here and win? Kais. Kais is speeding up and winning. Look at that one. Congratulations for the winner. I don't know if this guy's on the stream or not, but he has to reach out to me on Discord. The available time to reach out for this account is 72 hours. 3 days. If you do not reach out in 3 days, 72 hours, you are disqualified. 72 hours. Oh, beautiful. We're continuing with the last giveaway for today, and that's going to be the YRM one. We did top one, we did Lucid, and we're doing the YRM as well. We have $125,000 that we share, so 50,000 YRM for the next giveaway, guys. $50,000. Look at that price section. It's absolutely lovely. I've closed my lungs, but that would have been juicy. Kais, congratulations. Remember, guys, we have another giveaway like this with a Lucid Pro 50,000 on the last video I posted. A normal video, not a YouTube Shorts. So 50,000 YRM right now. 0, 1, 2, 3 different numbers. You can start right now. Start right now. 0, 1, and 2. These are the 3 different numbers we have. Let me know your best choice. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. It's over. Stop right there. We did Lucid. We did the Lucid one. Lucid Flex, we just did that. We did 50,000 Lucid. Shuffle. And there you go. Best of luck, guys. That could be number one. That could be number one. That could be number one. Ho, 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 ho. It is. It is. Congratulations for the winners. Thank you, Miss K9. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Perfectly. On the top of the number one. Supply level of number one. Resistance. Great. Probably we're going to have quite a few players winning. Probably quite a few winning. Oh yeah, look at that. 62. But we're going to do 2 rounds. Right, so 30 seconds competition time, but we're going to do 2 rounds. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. Remember, Monday, it is a bank holiday, Memorial Day in the US. We're not streaming. Streaming resumes on Tuesday. During the weekend, we're going to have a new video posted. Yep. A new video, guys. Market profile leading. Congratulations, market profile. Look at that. Oh, there you go, Badger. Where are you? Looks like we have a domination here. Congratulations. Congratulations. Memorial Day. Market profile winning. Did you fill up the form? Market profile. I guess you did. There you go. Huge winner. Congratulations. 50,000 YRM goes out to your pocket. Congratulations. There you go. This is where we are. Look at that recovery, guys. And I had a 10 minutes long. But I thought about something like this, right? No more trades for me today. No more trades till Tuesday. Hoping next week we have a good chance. If next week we do 2,500. No second round. We have $125,000 share today. So if I do next week 2,500 on my 5th Lucid Flex account of 150,000, we're going for the max payout of 15 grand next week. I only have to do that. 2,500 needed. Ho, ho, ho. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, for joining. We had a great time here. We did YRM, we did Lucid, we did all that $125,000. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. We're continuing on Tuesday. Remember that. The link for Discord is here. See you Monday, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Peaceful. And enjoy your time. See you on Tuesday. And in the meantime, check out the last video I posted on my channel. And I'll have a new video. During the